How to measure your foot size correctly. Prepare a piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler. Place the paper on the floor and line the shorter side perpendicularly to a wall. Stand upright, with your bare foot on the paper. Make sure your heel touches the wall. Trace the outline of your foot with a pencil. Measure the length of your foot from the longest toe to the heel. Using right angles, measure the width from the widest points of your foot. Compare your measurements with the chart on our website to find your ideal shoe size. For verification, print the insole at its actual size. Make sure to set the scale to 100%. Ensure the template is printed correctly. Compare your foot with the actual size of the insole. Bohempia, where comfort meets style and sustainability.